In this video we will show you how to remove MySearchNC.com browser hijacker using Combo Cleaner. MySearchNC.com is a fake web search engine which supposedly enhances the browsing experience by generating improved results. MySearchNC.com is promoted using intrusive pop-up ads and a deceptive marketing method called bundling. It usually installs together with fake Flash player downloads. After successful installation, the browser will contain newly installed malicious extensions. All new tabs will automatically open the MySearchNC.com website. MySearchNC.com browser hijacker is installed together with malicious system profiles that block all attempts of changing your home page, default internet search engine and new tab settings. Your search engine will be replaced and display results from Bing search system. Usually, browser hijackers infect all web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox and Safari. To remove MySearchNC.com browser hijacker, visit combocleaner.com. Download and install Antivirus for Mac. Double-click Combo Cleaner DMG file to mount it. Drag and drop Combo Cleaner to Applications. When installation finishes, close all windows and open your Launchpad to start Combo Cleaner. Confirm your actions by clicking Open. Wait until database update finishes and select premium feature called Antivirus. Select Full Scan and click Start Scan. Combo Cleaner scans your system and detects all infected files. Once the computer is scanned, click Remove All Threats. You will be prompted to authenticate with administrator password to clean infected files and remove suspicious configuration profiles. Malicious applications, such as My Shop Coupon, attempts to restore removed files. To finish cleaning process, Combo Cleaner prompts you to restart your Mac. Click Restart Now. The last step is to change your home page and remove all existing extensions. Here is a demonstration of how to remove unwanted extensions and change your home page and default internet search engine on Safari browser. Here is a demonstration of how to remove unwanted extensions and change your home page and default internet search engine on Chrome browser. Here is a demonstration of how to remove unwanted extensions and change your home page and default internet search engine on Firefox browser. Thank you for watching.